Have you ever wondered who would win in a battle, a mongoose or a honey badger? Stay tuned to uncover the amazing abilities of these fearless fighters. Mongooses are swift and agile, known for their lightning speed attacks. Honey badgers, however, are famed for their toughness and fearless nature. When mongooses face snakes, they rely on speed and reflexes. Honey badgers can survive snake bites due to their resilience. In a clash, endurance might edge out speed. Both have unique skills that make them formidable. Who do you think would win? Drop a comment and let's discuss.